In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Then let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here thank you. Select the text, change the font to Team A and let us increase the font size. Let us increase the text box size and increase the font size like this. Now select the text, make it in the center and click on the rectangle shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and Align Middle. Then it will be in the perfect position. Now click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. And go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and let us choose Offset Center. Then go to Shape Fill and let us choose this fill color blue gray text to darker 25%. And click on the shape, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and change the transparency to 10%. Now we have to add a video. Let us go to Insert, go to Video. I am going to choose a video from the stock. And here you will find various videos. Let us choose this one and click on Insert. Then the video will be inserted. Click on it. Go to Playback and let us choose Start Automatically. And click on right button and send it to back. And let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.